Will gold and silver repeat their 2008 performance? Some of the more popular assets for protecting investor wealth are precious metals, such as gold and silver. Both metals performed tremendously in 2020, with gold increasing 25% and silver increasing 48%. But if history is any guide, they have much further to run. Looking back to 2008, the last time the White House switched from Republican to Democrat, we can get a sense of how gold and silver might react now after the elections. The situation in 2008 bears many similarities to the situation today, and if 2008 is any guide, 2021 could be a good year for precious metal investors. The day before Election Day in 2008, gold closed at $722. By the end of the election day, gold had risen to $761.10. And by the end of the year, gold had risen to $880.80, a gain of 22%. Gold continued to rise after that, and by the anniversary of Obama's election, gold had risen to $1,091.90, a gain of 51% over its pre-election price. Silver's performance was similar, rising from $9.79 the day before the election to $11.32 by the end of the year, a gain of 15.6%. From there, silver really took off, reaching $17.44 an ounce by the anniversary of Obama's election, a gain of 78%. We're seeing that gain again today, as silver's 2020 performance was nearly 50% greater than gold's already amazing and record-breaking performance.